Morning students, today we are going to solve remaining problems in exercise 12.3. See what is given question. Seventh question. In the given figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. With centers ABCD, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of shaded region. So we have this figure. In this ABCD is a square. We have 14 centimeters side length and 4 circles are touches to each other, and we are going to find this shaded region here. And to get this shaded region, first of all we should find area of the square. After finding the area of the square, subtract this sector area, this sector area, this sector area and this sector area from the square area. So automatically you will get the shaded region. To get the sector area, we should know the angle here, right? Angle and radius of the circle. So total length is 14 centimeters. If you divide 14 by 2, you will get radius of each circle. Each circle radius is 14 by 2. And angle is, we know that in a square every angle is 90 degrees. So we know the angle also. So directly we can find area of the sector. Right? Now solution. Write the solution. Given side of the square. Side of the square. Square ABCD is 14 centimeters. Right? Now I am finding area of the square. Area of square. Area of square ABCD. Area of square ABCD equal to 14 square. 14 are 196 centimeter square. Right? This is the area of the square, 196. Now I am going to find sector area, each sector area. Right? First of all, I am going to find a radius of the circle. Radius of each circle. Radius of each circle. What is the radius of each circle? How to get? Divide 14 by 2, you will get the radius of each circle. So it is 7 centimeters. Right? Now I am going to find the angle at the corner of square. We know that each angle in square is 90 degrees. Right? Is 90 degrees. Now I am going to find this sector. Suppose I am taking these points as PQ. I am finding the sector area APQ. Right? Now sector area. Each sector area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degrees by 360. Theta is 90 degrees by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square. So 7 into 7. 4 the 7 cancel. 2 the 11 the 11 7 the 77 by 2 is sector area. How many sectors are there? 4 sectors. So 4 sectors area, I am subtracting 4 sectors area from the square area. Right? Now required area, required shaded region area. Required shaded region area equal to, how we can get area of square, area of square ABCD minus 4 into sector area. Why? Because 4 sectors are there, no? 4 into each sector area. Sector area. So square area already we got 196 minus 4 into each sector area 77 by 2. Right? Now by simplifying, 2 the 196, 2 7 the 14, 1 carry, 2 7 the 14, 154. By subtracting here 2, 42 centimeter square is the required shaded region area. Next, see eighth problem. What is given? The given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircles. The distance between the two inner parallel segments is 60 meters and they are each 106 meters long. If the track is 10 meters wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge. First question. Second question, the area of the track. So see the figure here. We have a racing track which is shaded region. Here in inner figure, observe the inner figure, we have two parallel lines. These two parallel lines having the distance 60 meters according to questions. Distance between two parallel lines 60 meters. So this distance is 60 meters. And each parallel line is 106 meters of length. Right? So this line length is 106, this line length is 106 according to given question. Next, track is, the wide of the track is 10 meters. It is given. So if wide of the track is 10 meters, this is 60, no? Distance between two parallel lines. Then total wide of this track, total here from here G to I. What is the length G to I? Here 10 plus 60 plus 10, so 80. So G to I length is 80 meters according to question. Now I am going to find distance around the track along its inner edge. Along its inner edge means we have to find AB length and BEC length, next CD length, next DFA length. You have to add all this length, then you will get the length around the track along its inner edges. Okay, right. Now I am going to solve first question. So first question, what we are going to find? We are going to find the distance around around the track along its inner edge. That equal to, how to get, let me find AB first. AB plus this is what, arc of semicircle. So BEC arc BEC plus next to CD length plus next to DFA, arc DFA. By adding all these lengths, you will get automatically the distance around the track along its inner edges. Right? Now I have to find AB. What is the length of AB? Each parallel line is 106 meters. It is given, so it is 106. Okay. Next, area of BEC. Area of BEC means semicircle. Arc length. How to find arc length in a circle? What is the formula? Arc length formula. How to find semicircle arc length? 2 pi r is total circle area by 2 semicircle area, semicircle perimeter, sorry, circumference, semicircle circumference, 2 pi r by 2, right? Plus CD length and again 106 plus arc of DFA again 2 pi r by 2. Semicircle perimeter circumference is 2 pi r by 2, right? Now 2 cancel here, 2 cancel. 106 plus pi value 22 by 7. R value, what is R value? Diameter is 60, so radius is 30. Observe the figure, diameter is 60 of this semicircle, radius is 30 plus 106 plus again 22 by 7 into 30, right? Now that equal to 106 plus 106, 212 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 30. By taking LCM, 7 is LCM. 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 7 1 to the 7, 8, 7 to the 14 plus 2 into 22 30 is 22 0 0, 22 3 is 660. that equal to 1484 plus 200, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12 by 7. By adding 1484 1320, how you will get 4 10 7 8 280 2804 by 7 centimeter is the required distance. Now we have to find second question, area of the track. Second question, area of track. How to find area of track? See here. Suppose I am taking this rectangle. From this rectangle, total rectangle. So what is the length? 106. What is the wide? 80. So I am taking GLJI rectangle. From that rectangle, I will subtract ABCD rectangle. Okay. So area of rectangle, area of GLJI minus area of ABCD. So you will get this part, right? Next, now from this here this is semicircle and this is semicircle, right? From the semicircle area GHI plus semicircle area semicircle area GHI. From that semicircle area, this total semicircle area, I will remove this smaller semicircle area. Semicircle area AED, right? Next, from this semicircle area plus semicircle area. So here bigger semicircle is LKJ. From LKJ, I am subtracting this smaller semicircle area. Circle area BFC, right? So automatically you will get track area. Now find the area of GLJI. What is the length? GLJI 106. What is the wide? 80. So area of the rectangle, length into breadth. So 106 into 80. Length is 106, wide is 80, right? Minus area of ABCD. Length is again 106, wide is 60. 106 into 60 plus semicircle area GHI. What is the diameter? 80. What is the radius? 4. Semicircle area, circle area pi r square. Semicircle area pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. So here area of pi r square by 2. I will substitute radius. What is radius? 40. 40 square minus semicircle area AED pi r square is 30 square by 2. Okay, next plus here also same value, so can I write twice? Again you will get same value here, so I am writing twice, right? Now simplification. By simplifying, what we can get, take 106 common here, we'll get 80 minus 60 plus here you can take pi by 2 common. So 2 into pi by 2 I am taking common. So 40 square minus 40 square minus 30 square. 40 square minus 30 square. 2 to cancel. 106. 80 minus 60, 20. Pi. 40 square. How we can simplify? 40 plus 30, 40 minus 30. 40 plus 30, 40 minus 30. Right? Now 106 into 20. 0, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 1, 2 on the 2. Plus pi. 5 22 by 7. 5 is 22 by 7. 40 plus 30 70. 40 minus 30 10. 7 tens are 2120 plus 22 into 2200. By adding this 2200 2120 4320 meter square is the required area of the track.